then you have, you have a system that is designed to fail and is designed to create injustice.
Right. I always say that there's this misnomer or this misbelief among people that are not involved in the criminal justice system that there's going to be a truth that comes out during trial, like
Correct.
TV, that aha moment. And there's no truth that comes out. There's,
Right. There's there's different stories it's different versions, different accounts. One thing that this taught me, and you didn't, I don't think I needed this case to teach you, but it became this is very demonstrative of a phenomenon or part of the culture of our criminal legal system. And that is that the police investigate a case. The police look for the truth to a point. Mm-hmm. That is, they try to figure out, they try to get an idea of who is responsible for a particular crime. Once they reach a certain level of confidence, they stop becoming detectives, they stop becoming investigators, and they start becoming advocates. Right. So their investigation then changes from a whodunit to how do we convict him?
Correct. It goes to their narrative. I always say that. Yeah. Once they start believing in the narrative that they've created, they only look at the evidence that supports their narrative.
And it taints how they investigate, it taints how they question, and how they treat people, and how they treat witnesses. They become an advocate for a conviction as opposed to simply investigators trying to get to the closest thing to the truth they can. Mm-hmm. And that clearly is what happened in this case. Clearly. I mean, obviously this is an extraordinary case because they not only did they became advocates to the, in the worst possible way, which was that they coerced false evidence to build a case because they believed one piece of circumstantial evidence proved their case. They then proceeded to create false direct evidence of that conclusion. And that is the worst case scenario, and it's how you get innocent people convicted.